I want to show you something before I say anything else. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard, and that number is $23,064 in 24 days this month. I didn't run one ad to get there. AI created every piece of content, and the traffic is completely free. I have been doing this affiliate marketing business, guys, for over 7 years, and I know exactly what's working. And once I started using AI, my affiliate marketing business just keep scaling month over month. Okay. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why and exactly how to build the same thing. The most important step is at the end. Don't leave before it, and let's get started. First, for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one is you guys need to join Amazon Associate. Okay, this is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. This is summary here. This is my commissions, and this is my bounties over here, as you guys can see. Okay, if you want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. It's super easy and simple. You will just go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Click on the first link over here like this. You will be, guys, in this page. You will click on sign up like this. It's super easy and simple, and you will be, guys, in this page again. And here you guys can create your affiliate account. You just need to put here your mobile number or your email address. Click on continue and create your Amazon affiliate account. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, Spain, and so on. Okay, once you finish creating your affiliate account, this will be, guys, your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associates. So this will be, guys, your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. You will see here your commissions, your summary here, and your bounties over here. Okay, so what you need to do next is you guys need to promote product that solve problems for people. You need to promote product that people are already searching for on social media platforms. And the best social media platform that you guys can start with to get free traffic is YouTube. Okay, so let's go to YouTube to show you why. YouTube, guys, first, YouTube is a search engine platform. It's the second largest search engine platform in the world after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. Okay, you guys understand this? And YouTube also, guys, has and YouTube also, guys, it's getting 30 billion monthly visitors. That's really a big number, guys. It's a search engine platform, so what you need to focus on, it's SEO. It's you need to create an SEO optimized content that you can post here on YouTube that can keep getting traffic for years and keep making you commissions. Okay, it's search engine platform, so it's gold mine for affiliate marketing. So please, guys, focus on YouTube. Just create a good content and you can start making commissions. Okay, it's 30 billion monthly visitors and millions of people every single day. They come here to YouTube searching for products, searching for topics, searching for services, searching for solutions for their problems. So start using YouTube, please. Okay, once you just need to create a YouTube channel. It's for free and it's easy to create. Once you finish creating your YouTube channel, what you will do, let me show you. You will go over here to private window. Okay, let's go and show you guys, and I will go over here to YouTube. Okay, go and open a YouTube private window like this. So what I will do here is I will use this method, guys, to find product that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so what we will do next, we will click here on the search bar, and here I will type just keyword. Let's say, as an example, best camera for, here you go. You have a lot. Okay, I typed this keyword, guys, best camera for, and YouTube, guys, will give you topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is report search prediction. This is what people are searching for on YouTube right now. And this audience, guys, who search for best camera, they have money and they want to buy a camera. So if you make a good video about those products, those camera products that are on Amazon, and you promote them here on YouTube, you can make commissions. So we have an audience search for best camera for photography, best camera for vlogging, for streaming, videograph, content creation, filmmaking, content creation, YouTube, and so on. Best camera for YouTube, for content creation, for YouTube. Okay, so we have an audience search for best camera for YouTube. They want to start making content and they need a best and good camera that they can use to start making those videos, okay, or content, okay. So what we will do here for you as an Amazon affiliate marketer, what you will do is you will go back to Amazon, go and open your amazon.com website like this, and click here on the search and search for like camera for YouTube, okay, camera for YouTubers or camera for YouTube. Let's search for this product that people are already searching for on YouTube. Search for camera for YouTube, and here you go. You will find here a lot of sellers who provide those products, guys, okay. And you guys need to promote at least 5 to 10 products, okay, at this with different prices. So for example, some people can pay for this product that started, for example, like this camera started from $479. Some people can pay for, like this one started from $648. Some people can pay for this one started from $139, and so on. So you need to promote different cameras, okay. So what we will do here, we will pick one as an example, the first one, like this one, guys. So I will choose this one as an example. So just click on the product that you guys want to promote as an example, and you will be, guys, in this product page on Amazon. You guys can see here the commission rate, it's 4%, which is very, very good. Also this product, guys, you guys can see it started from $479, which is good. So what you will do here is you guys need to create a YouTube video about this product, about this camera, okay. You can create a faceless video is just by using AI tools, okay. You can use, for example, Google Gemini to create an SEO optimized script, and you can use other AI tools to turn this script into full YouTube video without showing your face and without using your voice. So once you complete your video, you can go back to YouTube and you will upload this video on YouTube, okay. You will upload the video on YouTube, and you will include your Amazon affiliate link in your video description. What you will do, you will go back to this Amazon product page. You will click here on get link to get your affiliate link. You will click on copy affiliate link like this, and go back to YouTube and put this affiliate link in your video description on YouTube. If you are creating a good SEO optimized content, those videos can keep getting traffic for years and keep making you traffic, keep making you commissions for years, okay. Because like I said, like I explained in the beginning, YouTube, guys, is search engine platform. So all you need to focus on is your SEO. It's creating an SEO optimized content, and you can do this with AI, okay. And for people who want to take this business seriously, I do have an affiliate marketing course where I explained exactly how you can use AI to run your affiliate marketing business, how you can use AI for content creation without showing your face, without using your voice, how you can use AI to create a landing page and an affiliate website, how you can use AI to create also content for other social media platforms. You can use YouTube, also you can use Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook Reels to double your traffic and double your commissions. I'm explaining everything inside the course. And if you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details you need to get you started, okay. And that's exactly, guys, how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing or Amazon associate using AI and free traffic, okay. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.